Air raid! Take cover! Air raid! It's the Americans! Air raid!
Take on some of your own size! Have they come? Are we under attack? Do you think they'll bomb the castle?
Take cover! Take to open fields!
Which? Either one! I can't decide!
They're here! They come!
Your Highness, please, take to the cellar!
No.
If you won't think of yourself, think of us! Think of me!
You?
If you stay up here, how can I go down there? And I might get killed up here!
Count Mountjoy, stop that.
But Your Highness, the United States Strategic Air Command...
I wish it were. Then we'd know they were aware of us.
But they might start dropping...
All they could drop is tourists. That's Pan-American, the flight between Paris and Rome.
It couldn't possibly... Well, possibly.
Of course. Right on time, too.